So we've been in Monto today for the very first workshop of the North Burnett Leadership Series that Sarah has been leading the way with on behalf of BIEDO, but also supported by North Burnett Regional Council and BBRF and the Red Earth Community Foundation. We were thrilled to be in the room today with our presenter Simone de Haas. So we had Simone in the North Burnett in Queensland Women's Week and saw this as a wonderful opportunity to have her back, Sarah.
Yeah, it was a great workshop. We had 16 people from across the whole region, so our region covers about 10,000 square kilometres, so it's a big effort to get a group of people together for a workshop like this. The whole room was buzzing, full of engagement, lots of conversation, and I'm sure they've taken a lot away from today and could probably take a lot more. So thank you so much for coming, Simone. We'd love to have you back.
The vibe in the room, I think it was quite special, and I think what I love about Simone's presentation and why we are so lucky to have her here today is that she is so engaged in the conversation. It is not your typical workshop, I suppose, where you have PowerPoints or other material to work through. Simone feeds off the energy in the room and uses the energy in the room throughout. So it's just this ongoing, facilitated kind of conversation, isn't it? Drawing out the energy that's there and making it work.
And creating energy as well. Without that, we wouldn't have had the engagement that we had today.
And fun, really fun.
Good.
It was great fun. So,
Perfect.
yeah.
So would you recommend Simone as a speaker?
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Yeah. And we hope to have Simone back in our part of the world again sometime soon. It's been fantastic.
Thank you both so much.
Thank you.